Hello. We're going in there soon. Already been in. Couldn't be bothered to film. But we're going in.
Very
I'm going to film. Hold on. That don't look like Denmark.
I think the double doors have teleported us.
Oh my god, that's cold.
Great Coastercaz race, volume 4, I think at this point, on Power Racers, formerly Octopus Racers.
I'm losing because I can't get down these comfortably.
I'm gonna lose.
I'm a rock. Oh, he's already down. Alright, next we're going on the dolphin slide.
There it is!
Oh no! What the hell?
Why is it?
Move! Leave ahead! No! We're at Legoland. We're in the park.
It's a lovely park.
There's also
the miniland. Look down.
There's also half the British public here. First ride of the day that we're going to go on is
Ghost the Haunted House.
Ooh, in a house.
Stunning scene.
Terrifying reality of multiple coaster cazes. Some tense gameplay. Oh, mirror skill.
again.
It's actually so clear of Monster
Oh,
Party.
it's so sick. It's such a sick little ride.
It's so
I
much.
didn't realise you were filming. It's really good. I like it.
It's so much better than the one at Windsor because like it has like 3 parts rather than like 2.
You get the sense of adventure going through, which is what the kind of like spooky theme needs. You need to feel like you're actually adventuring into something. With this being primarily a walkthrough, that's exactly what you get. It's very cool.
Good. So, you know, alright, flashback to Jewel Summerland. I'll put in something.
Whoa, we're stuck on the tower. There used to be one right there.
Alright, the dragon. A little bit of a weird one because it's very different to Windsor's. Even then, Windsor's a weird one.
But the dark ride is much better. It is very, very impressive in terms of the actual scenery and the lighting. Scening, new word. Yeah, it's good. I really like it.
I think the coaster bit is better on the Windsor one though, but that's to be expected because it's just a
smoother
power
on
coaster.
the Windsor one.
Sky Battle was good, very intense. That's about it. We went on Extreme Races, the Mac product.
Just Technic.
Don't sweat the Technic, as they say.
Everything is Technic. Everything is awesome now. Everything is Technic.
We were team 32. Guess who was who? Challenge. Spoiler alert, I didn't win. I think you can make a strong argument for Polar Explorer being the best ride at any Legoland because I think that ride is more enjoyable than Mandrill Mayhem. Probably more enjoyable.
I think it is. It was smooth. It was fun. It was flat. It's got some interesting little floater pops. And a secret element I won't talk about here.
And in case anyone don't know, just don't look POVs. Good ride. Going on probably the weakest flying theatre I've done. So we went on the rapids, which from memory not very wet. Didn't think I'd get that wet.
My back. Look at my back. I'm actually soaked. Because it's all completely dry until you get to the last drop, and if you're facing backwards, you die.
Going into the Lego Ninjago world, the better one, I think.
Yes. It's a bit
Also, we have just done Lego Canoe, the little log film, which I personally really liked. It's really nice.
It was a very good little ride. Not quite Pirate Falls, but it's quite cool.
Going on a Billund exclusive. What is this attraction we are going on?
This is Lloyd's Laser Maze.
It's just a laser maze, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a maze of laser. That's too long of a queue for what it is. We're not doing that.
But it's not the moment.
We're going on Ninjago instead because it's on a shorter queue.
Time to Ninjago. We did the Lego Ninjago ride. Same as normal, I lost quite badly. You nearly won.
It's alright. It's a good ride. I like the nostalgia of it. Apart from that, it's very sensitive on the sensors and it hurts your arms. It's a workout.
I think it's about the same as Windsor, so yeah, good ride.
You hit one. That's terrible. I can't steer this one, it's too low. I got it. We're good. Chat, we're good. We're in boat traffic. We're about to bump the boat in front of us.
Oh no.
Oh no. Brace for impact. Impact. Dead.
Crashed.
40 dead in the Philippines. Behold the world's sickest exit gate. They both open when you open one. That's really cool, and I don't know why I like it so much.
It's on 5 minutes, so we're going back on. Goes to Haunted House. The superior Haunted House ride.
Absolutely.
That we've been on. Yeah, they're following us.
There's a shark in the Seine. Take it open then.
Went back on Viking River Splash. Very good ride. Going on that one for the last ride of the day.
I love this park, love this ride, love my country, God bless America. So we're going to be the last train for Polar Explorer, or one of the last trains, because we ran back round because there were 2 minutes left and we managed to get in the queue. They have just let other people in, so yeah, it's going to be good fun. Gambling time, baby.
Gambling's fine if it has cool colours.
We won!
Yeah, we won. Way!